packing for a trip. It should be exciting, right? But often it's just staring into your closet, feeling panic. Will this shirt spark joy for museums and beaches? Probably not. We overpack, we overthink, then we lug heavy bags, regretting our life choices. But fear not, packing light for 2 weeks is possible. It's about making each item earn its place in your carry-on. Think of it like a curated collection. Only the most joyful and versatile items make the cut. This isn't just about packing less, it's about traveling smarter. Imagine this, you effortlessly gliding past baggage claim, feeling smug as others wrestle suitcases. Freedom! That's the magic of packing light. And I'm here to guide you, step by joyful step. Ready to ditch the baggage claim blues? Let's pack. First, a golden rule. Thou shalt choose a carry-on that sparks joy. Is it sturdy? Does it roll smoothly? Does it have compartments for ultimate organization? Excellent. Now the commandments. 1. Thou shalt pack for 1 week, then wear everything twice. This is the magic formula. Choose versatile pieces. A simple dress can be casual or dressed up. 2. Thou shalt embrace the power of layering. Thin layers are key. A light cardigan adds warmth without bulky sweaters. Plus, layers add style points. 3. Thou shalt roll, not fold. This saves space and prevents wrinkles. Imagine your clothes as sushi rolls, neat and compact. 4. Thou shalt leave behind unnecessary items. That giant bottle of shampoo? Nope. Travel-sized is your new best friend. And that hairdryer? Most hotels have them. Remember, packing light is about freedom, not deprivation. By packing smart, you'll have less to carry and more room for souvenirs and new experiences. Choosing clothes for 2 weeks can feel daunting, but fear not. This is where your inner minimalist shines. Start by visualizing your trip. What will you be doing? What's the weather like? Choose a color scheme. Neutrals are your friends. Black, white, gray, and beige can be mixed and matched endlessly. Then add pops of color with accessories. A bright scarf or statement necklace can transform an outfit. Think versatile pieces. A pair of comfortable walking shoes can take you from sightseeing to casual dinners. A flowy skirt can be dressed up or down. Remember, less is more. Here's a sample packing list. Tops: 4 to 5 basic tops, 2 to 3 nicer tops, 1 to 2 dressier options. Bottoms: 2 pairs of versatile pants, skirts, 1 pair of shorts, weather permitting. Dress: 1 to 2, depending on occasion. Outerwear: 1 light jacket, 1 warmer layer, depending on climate. Underwear and socks: enough for 1 week. Wash midway through trip. Remember, this is a guideline. Adjust based on your needs and destination. And don't forget a swimsuit if you're heading somewhere tropical. Shoes, the ultimate packing dilemma. They're bulky, heavy, and oh so tempting to overpack. But fear not, with a little strategy, you can pack the perfect shoe capsule. Rule number 1, limit yourself to 3 pairs. Yes, 3. I know it sounds impossible, but trust me. Choose wisely, my friend. Your 3 musketeers should include 1. Comfortable walking shoes. These are your everyday heroes. They should be broken in and ready for anything. Sneakers, walking sandals, or stylish flats are all excellent choices. 2. Dressy shoes. For evenings out, special occasions, or just feeling fancy. Choose a pair that can be dressed up or down, like sleek heels or elegant flats. 3. Optional extras. Depending on your destination and activities, you might need a 3rd pair. Hiking boots for adventurous trails, flip-flops for the beach, or something weather-appropriate like rain boots. Remember, choose quality over quantity. Opt for versatile styles in neutral colors that can be dressed up or down. And don't forget to utilize the space inside your shoes by stuffing them with socks or small items. Section 5. Toiletries, travel-size treasures, and DIY delights. Toiletries can be a packing nightmare. Bottles are bulky, liquids spill, and airport security loves confiscating that oversized shampoo. But fear not. With a little planning, you can pack your toiletries like a pro. First, embrace the magic of travel-sized containers. These tiny wonders are your new best friends. Decant your favorite products into TSA-approved bottles and jars. You'll save space and avoid any airport drama. Next, consider solid toiletries. Shampoo bars, conditioner bars, and even solid perfume are becoming increasingly popular. They're compact, lightweight, and eliminate the risk of spills. Plus, they're often more eco-friendly. Don't forget the power of multi-purpose products. A tinted moisturizer can double as foundation and sunscreen. Coconut oil can be used as a hair mask, makeup remover, and even shaving cream. Talk about a space-saving superhero. Remember, many hotels provide basic toiletries like shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Check with your accommodation beforehand to avoid packing unnecessary items. Section 6. Tech Gear. Essential gadgets for the modern wanderer. In today's digital age, it's hard to imagine traveling without our trusty tech gear. But fear not, fellow tech-savvy travelers. Packing your electronics doesn't have to mean sacrificing precious suitcase space. First, prioritize your must-haves. Will you be working remotely? Then a laptop is a must. Are you a photography enthusiast? Pack your camera and essential lenses. But be honest with yourself about what you'll actually use. Next, streamline your charging situation. Instead of packing a separate charger for each device, invest in a universal travel adapter with multiple USB ports. This way, you can charge all your gadgets from a single outlet. Consider the weight and size of your electronics. A lightweight tablet can be a great alternative to a bulky laptop if you're primarily using it for entertainment and browsing. And noise-canceling headphones are a must for long flights or train rides. Don't forget to pack a portable power bank. This lifesaver will keep your devices charged on the go, so you can snap those Instagram-worthy photos without worrying about your battery life. Section 7. Miscellaneous must-haves, the little things that make a big difference. We've covered the essentials: clothes, shoes, toiletries, and tech. But what about those little things that can make or break your trip? Fear not, fellow travelers. Here are a few miscellaneous must-haves to pack in your carry-on. A reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated and eco-friendly by refilling your bottle throughout your trip. Snacks. Airplane food not your thing? Pack some healthy snacks to keep hunger pangs at bay. Eye mask and earplugs, essential for blocking out light and noise on flights or in noisy accommodations. Travel pillow, a lifesaver for long journeys, especially if you're prone to neck pain. First aid kit. Pack a small kit with essentials like bandages, pain relievers, and motion sickness medication. Entertainment. Books, magazines, podcasts, or downloaded movies and shows can help pass the time on long journeys. Small journal and pen. Jot down memories, observations, or simply doodle your way through your travels. Remember, these are just suggestions. Pack what sparks joy and makes you feel prepared for your adventure. Section 8. The Art of Packing Tetris. Strategic tips for maximum space. You've chosen your items wisely, embraced travel-sized everything, and are ready to pack. Now, the real challenge begins, fitting it all into your carry-on. But fear not. This is where the art of packing Tetris comes in. First, lay out all your belongings. Yes, all of them. This will help you visualize what you have and identify any potential space hogs. Next, start with the bulkiest items: shoes, toiletries bag, electronics. Place them strategically at the bottom of your suitcase, utilizing any nooks and crannies. Then, move on to clothing. Remember the rolling technique? Now's the time to put it into action. Roll your clothes tightly and arrange them snugly in your suitcase. Utilize every inch of space. Stuff socks and underwear inside shoes. Tuck small items into gaps between clothing and use packing cubes to compress bulky items like sweaters and jackets. Don't be afraid to rearrange and experiment. It might take a few tries to find the perfect packing configuration, but trust me, the satisfaction of fitting everything into your carry-on is well worth the effort. Section 9. The sweet reward breeze through airports like a travel ninja. Congratulations, my friend! You've conquered the art of packing light for 2 weeks. Now it's time to reap the sweet rewards of your minimalist mastery. Imagine this. You arrive at the airport feeling light and free. No need to check in luggage, no waiting in line at baggage claim. You glide through security like a travel ninja, your carry-on effortlessly in tow. Boarding your flight is a breeze. You easily find overhead compartment space for your compact bag and settle into your seat, feeling smug as others struggle with their oversized luggage. Throughout your trip, you'll experience the freedom of packing light. No more lugging heavy suitcases through crowded streets or up endless flights of stairs. You're free to explore, wander, and embrace spontaneity. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. By packing light, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable way of traveling. Section 10. Pack light, travel far. Embrace the freedom of minimalism. Packing light for 2 weeks is more than just a practical skill. It's a mindset shift. It's about embracing minimalism, prioritizing experiences over material possessions, and traveling with intention. When you pack light, you pack for the person you want to be on your trip. Carefree, spontaneous, and open to new adventures. You're no longer weighed down by unnecessary baggage, both literally and figuratively. So the next time you're faced with the dreaded suitcase stare down, remember these words: pack light, travel far. Embrace the freedom of minimalism and discover the joy of traveling with only what you need. Happy travels, my friend. May your journeys be filled with joy, adventure, and a whole lot of packing Tetris victories. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks.